Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Augustine is. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 235 in part 1 to 9. This is the part 10 of this video. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। शुरू करते हैं। हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो कि लिखा हुआ है 236 जो क्वेश्चन है, द मोस्ट फेमस नॉवेल ऑफ एन रेडक्लिफ द मिस्ट्रीज ऑफ उडोल्फो वॉज रिटन इन। The most famous novel of Anne Radcliffe, The Mysteries of Udolpho, was written in option A 1790, 1791, option C 1794 and option D 1797. So which one is the correct answer? Option C 1794 is the correct answer. Now question number 237. William Cowper reciprocated the generosity of a benign lady who considered him as her own son by addressing her as a Mary in all his poems. Who was that lady? William Cowper reciprocated the generosity of a benign lady who considered him as her own son by addressing her as a Mary in all his poems. Who was that lady? Option A Mrs. Unben, option B Mrs. Dennis, option C Mrs. Bolbia and option D Mrs. Clark. So option A Mrs. Unwin is the correct answer. Mrs. Unwin is the correct answer. Now question number 238. In his love of nature and his emotional harmony with it and his sympathetic treatment of humble rural life, he is akin to Wordsworth. But when we consider the character of man and his creed, his poetry is replete with social unrest. Found the Byron. Who is this renowned पोएट? किस पोएट की बात यहाँ पे चल रही है? तो ऑप्शन ए विलियम ब्लैक, ऑप्शन बी एडवर्ड बुर्के, ऑप्शन सी विलियम कॉपर एंड ऑप्शन डी थॉमस ग्रे. सो ऑप्शन सी विलियम कॉपर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. William Cowper is the correct answer. Now question number 239. Now question number 239. I am the monarch of all I survey. I am the monarch of all I survey. Identify the poet and the poem. यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई करिए, पहचानिए उस पोएट को और पोएम को जिसमें ये कहा गया है कि आई एम द मोनार्क ऑफ ऑल आई सर्वे. ऑप्शन ए गोल्ड स्मिथ द डेजर्टेड विलेज, ऑप्शन बी विलियम कॉपर्स अलेक्जेंडर सिलकिर्क, ऑप्शन सी थॉमस ग्रे ऑड टू ईटन एंड ऑप्शन डी जोनाथन स्विफ्ट गुलिवर्स ट्रेवल. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? ऑप्शन बी विलियम कॉपर्स विलियम कॉपर्स राइटर हैं, पोएट हैं और अलेक्जेंडर सिलकिर्क जो है इनकी पोयम है. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 240. The Sofa by William Cowper is written in. The Sofa by William Cowper is written in option A rhyme roll, option B closed couplet, option C heroic couplet and option D blank verse. So option D blank verse is the correct answer. Blank verse is the correct answer. Now question number 241. This long blank verse poem is the poetic masterpiece of later 18th century evangelicalism, as Paradise Lost is a masterpiece of militant Puritanism of the 17th century. Which is this poem and who has composed it? क्वेश्चन नंबर 241. 241. तो ऑप्शन here the Bank of Doon by Robert Burns. Option B the Task by William Cowper. Option C the Village by George Crabbe. And option D the Deserted Village by Oliver Goldsmith. So which one is the correct answer? Option B the Task by William Cowper is the correct answer. Now the correct answer. Now question number 242. 242. How much Idance that has been sent to Rome excels a dunce that has been kept at home. These lines are taken from William Cowper's. ये जो लाइन्स हैं वो विलियम कॉपर्स के किस वर्क से ली गई हैं? ऑप्शन ए अ टेबल टॉक, ऑप्शन बी द टास्क, ऑप्शन सी ट्रूथ एंड ऑप्शन डी द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ एरर्स. सो ऑप्शन डी द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ एरर्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 253. 253 विलियम 243. The question is 243. William Cowper is best known for his. William Cowper is best known for his. Option A elegies, option B satires, option C short poems, and option D none of the above. So short poems. William Cowper is best known for his short poems. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 244. Pope made poetry a mere mechanic art and every walker had tune by heart. Who said this about Pope? पोप के बारे में ये किसने कहा था कि पोप मेड पोएट्री अ मेयर मैकेनिक आर्ट एंड एवरी वॉकर हैड ट्यून बाय हार्ट. हु सेड दिस अबाउट Pope? Option A William Cowper, option B William Wordsworth, option C Matthew Arnold, and option D Lord Byron. So which one is the correct answer of 244? Question number 244. Option A William Cowper is the correct answer. William Cowper is the correct answer. Now question number 245. Which of the following is not work of William Cowper? इसमें से कौन सा वर्क जो है वो विलियम कॉपर का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए होप, ऑप्शन बी ट्रूथ, ऑप्शन सी टेबल टॉक, एंड ऑप्शन डी रिटेलिएशन. सो ओनली रिटेलिएशन इज नॉट वर्क ऑफ विलियम कॉपर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 246. होप बाय विलियम कॉपर इज एन. जो होप है विलियम कॉपर के द्वारा वो क्या है? ऑप्शन ए सोनेट, ऑप्शन बी सेटायर, ऑप्शन सी एलेजी, एंड ऑप्शन डी लिरिक. सो ऑप्शन बी सेटायर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन बी. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. Listen them again and again, and so that they will be in your mind for a long period. Question number 247. Tyrocinium by William Cowper is a forceful attack on. जो टायरोसिनियम जो है वो विलियम कॉपर का वर्क है. किस चीज़ के ऊपर अटैक किया गया? ऑप्शन ए इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन ऑफ द एज, ऑप्शन बी सोशल कंडीशन ऑफ द एज, ऑप्शन सी पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन ऑफ द एज, ऑप्शन सी पब्लिक स्कूल ऑफ द एज. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? पब्लिक स्कूल ऑफ द एज, यानी ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 248. The Progress of Errors, a satire by William Cowper, was written at a suggestion of. The Progress of Errors, a satire by William Cowper, was written at the suggestion of. Option A his friend Roger Clare, option B his wife Sherry, option C his well-wisher Unwin, and his teacher John Brown. So his well-wisher Unwin is the correct answer. Now question number 249. The eight satire written by Cowper appeared in. The eight satire written by Cooper appeared in? Which one is the correct answer? Option A 1780, option B 1782, option C 1784, and option D 1785. So option B 1782 is the correct answer. Now question number 250. क्वेश्चन नंबर 250 है जॉन गिल्पिन इज ए वर्क ऑफ. जॉन गिल्पिन इज ए वर्क ऑफ. ऑप्शन ए विलियम कॉपर, ऑप्शन बी ओलिवर गोल्ड स्मिथ, ऑप्शन सी रॉबर्ट बर्न्स, ऑप्शन डी विलियम ब्लैक. सो ऑप्शन ए विलियम कॉपर इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 251. द इंक्वायरी कंसर्निंग पॉलिटिकल जस्टिस. The inquiry concerning political justice by William Godwin appeared in. So option A 1793, option B 1794, and option D 1795. Option C 1795 and option D 1796. So which one is the correct answer? Option A 1793 is the correct answer. Now question number 252. God made this country and man made the towns appears in Cooper's. God made the country. भगवान ने देश बनाया है एंड आदमी ने टाउन्स बनाए हैं. ये किस में कहा गया है? कॉपर्स. ऑप्शन ए होप, ऑप्शन बी द ट्रूथ, ऑप्शन सी द टास्क एंड ऑप्शन डी द एक्सपोचुलेशन. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Option C, the task. The task is the correct answer. Now question number 253. William Godwin influenced a number of better minds, including for a very short period the poet Coleridge, and for a much longer period another poet who eventually became his son-in-law. Who was that poet? कौन से वो पोएट्स है? ऑप्शन ए जॉन कीट्स, ऑप्शन बी पीबी शैली, ऑप्शन सी लॉर्ड बायरन एंड ऑप्शन डी विलियम ब्लैक. Again, William Godwin influenced a number of better minds, including for a very short period the poet Coleridge, and for much longer period another poet who eventually became his son. तो कौन से थे वो पोएट? ऑप्शन ए जॉन कीट्स, ऑप्शन बी पीबी शैली, ऑप्शन सी लॉर्ड बायरन एंड ऑप्शन डी विलियम ब्लैक, जो कि उनके बाद में एवेंचुअली बिकम हिज सन इन लॉ. हु वाज द पोएट? ऑप्शन बी पीबी शैली इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 254. The tide of life, swift always incites course, many runs in cities with a brisker force. In which of the Cooper's following poem do these lines appear? Option A charity, option B hope, option C the task, and option D retirement. So option D retirement is the correct answer. Question number 255. Who wrote Caleb William in 1794? Who wrote Caleb William in 1794? Option A Cooper, option B William Godwin, option C William Collins, and option D William Black. So which one is the correct answer? 255. Option B William Godwin. William Godwin is the correct answer. 256. William Cooper was an ardent. जो विलियम कॉपर थे एक क्या थे? कट्टर. क्या थे? आर्डेंट मतलब कट्टर. काल्विनिस्ट, प्रोटेनिस्ट, कैथोलिक, प्रोटेस्टेंट, कैथोलिक एंड मेथोडिस्ट. सो ऑप्शन ए काल्विनिस्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. Absence of occupation is not rest. A mind quite vacant is mind distressed. These lines appear in William Cooper's. Option A expostulation, the progress of errors, option C retirement, option D charity. So which one is the correct answer? Option C retirement is the correct answer. Question number 258. Who is the heroine of Anne Radcliffe Mysteries of Udolpho? Who is the heroine of Anne Radcliffe Mysteries of Udolpho? Option A Cordelia, option B Emily, option C Matilda, option D Madame Cheron. So, which one is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Dear friend, this is the second last question of this video. Please like, share and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. 259. Oriental Eclogues. Eclogues is a work of option A. William Blake, option B. William Collins, option C. John Dryden, and option D. Ben Jonson. So which one is the correct answer? Oriental Eclogues is a work of William Collins, option B. Now this is the last question. 260. How Sleep the Brave by William Collins is a option A lyric, option B ode, option C elegy, option D ballad. A lyric. Option A is the correct answer. So thank you for watching this video.